Hello, welcome to 4-week AICT workshop on use of ICT in education for online and blended learning. Myself Pritish Chete, I am giving the presentation on the topic Tool Magazine. The Tool Magazine is in the course CAD/CAM. The student is from third year UG students. The learning objective for the students is the student should explain the concept of Tool Magazine and automatic tool changer. There are some key points or the key concepts like the tool changing arm and the automatic tool changer. There is one simple question. The students should explain the question like explain the concept of regarding the Tool Magazine and automatic tool changer. There is very simple diagram for the automatic tool changer which consists of the tool magazine and also the tool changing arm. You can see the indexable spindle here, and on that there is a tool magazine. You can see the two types of tools which is placed on the tool magazine. Here this is the tool changing arm where the two or more types of tools can be placed. Here there is a cutting tool which will be placed on the machine spindle. Suppose for the next operation you want to replace the tool from the tool magazine into the machine spindle, so that with the help of tool changing arm you can take the tool from the machine spindle and you can place it inside the tool magazine, and you can take the new tool from the tool magazine and you can replace it in the machine spindle for the next operation. This tool changing arm is having the rotation 360 degrees, so this is the advantage of tool changing arm. This tool changing arm is also called as automatic tool changer. Means manually we don't have to move or rotate the tool changing arm. So with the help of only one click, so we can rotate this tool changing arm. That's why it is called as the automatic tool changer. So for more explanation, the students can see a very simple video, which is a one simple industrial video where the students will see the automatic tool changer, the tool magazine, and also which is called as the automatic or the tool changing arm. So here you can see there are the lots of tools in the tool magazine or the drum type or the chain type of tool magazine. So this is the tool changer which is moving here. So this is the machine spindle. Just see the operation here. Now the tool is moving from the tool magazine or the drum type tool magazine into the machine spindle, and after that it will place it inside the tool magazine or the tool drum. So this is one type of storage for the tool in the tool magazine. So this is the tool changing arm and this is the machine spindle. Just see the operation. Here the tool is taken by the automatic tool changer, because for the next operation we need the new tool, and again it will go back to the machine spindle so that the next operation will start. But the existence tool will again come back to the storage place which is called as the tool magazine. So this is a very simple video. So at last the students in the last assignment, the students know regarding the windowing and viewing transformation, which is a CAD part, and in this assignment, the assignment number 2, the students will explain the use of CAM part, that is the computer aided manufacturing. In this the use of automation which is called as the tool magazine or the automatic tool changer. Thank you.
Got it.